What's up, everyone? Tiger Stacker here. The federal government has forced me to sell my silver, and yet it came to my advantage. Let me tell you the story. Like all of you, I don't want to sell my precious metals, but life sometimes throws you a twist. Maybe you have a death in the family, or maybe you have to pay a medical bill. But whatever your problem is, it's nice to know that it's there. Sure, we want to be able to save our metals for generational wealth, college, but sometimes life throws you a twist. And Tiger has gotten a couple twists recently. As I told you, I have a small job that doesn't pay well, but I'm still maintaining. I worry about it becoming a bigger problem later, but so far not. However, I did have a twist. Last Friday, my accountant called me telling me that the state of West Virginia was wanting $20,400 plus, and I had a couple options. I could pay that over the course of weeks or months, and there would be no penalty. However, there was a federal ruling or law that put a new twist in it. I'm not a tax advisor. I'm not an accountant. I'm a physician who knows medicine, not accounting or tax laws. So like you, I have to take the advice of my professional accountant, who told me that if I paid, the federal government would give me credit for $5,000 more against my taxes. In other words, for 2023 taxes, I would have to pay $5,000 less for paying the West Virginia taxes immediately. He did not let me know until the deadline was almost up. And if I waited any longer, I would lose that $5,000 opportunity. So, having only half of the amount of money that was needed, I knew I had only one option if I wanted to get the $5,000 credit against my federal taxes. I had to sell my silver, and I did not hesitate, because it was a good choice, and here is why. This here is the spreadsheet regarding the sale of my silver at All-in-One Pawn Shop. I sold my only 3 kilo bars, 11 10-ounce bars, and 10 5-ounce bars. When I bought them, they cost me $6,870.20 over these purchase dates. And I sold them last Friday at a spot price of $23. And I verified it by looking at APMEX. It was $23.15 for APMEX. And this is the loss that I took. $1,086.85. I kept $5,783.35. The state of West Virginia wanted approximately $20,400. I had approximately half that they needed to come up with. And I moved some of my money from another account to help pay this. But I've got to pay that account back. I robbed Peter to pay Paul. Needs to be returned to Peter sooner or later. So, $10,200 divided by $23 per ounce meant I have to sell 443 and almost 0.5 ounces of silver. I sold 251 and almost a half ounces of silver, which means I'm still going to have to sell approximately 192.03 ounces of silver. I sold approximately 57%. Now, I did not use all of that because I wanted a 1900 pre-33 Liberty Gold Double Eagle. But most of that did go to the taxes. But we're talking in terms of ratios. So in terms of ratios, this still all equilibrates out the same. So I have to replenish the money I borrowed from another account, which still means I'm going to sell in toto $10,200 of silver. I'm going to get $5,000 credit to my federal taxes because I paid that in time. So in total, I'm going to have $15,200 that I will be accredited for paying my taxes to West Virginia and won't have to pay that $5,000 to the federal government. So mathematically, I have $15,200 of credit paid to West Virginia. And when you divide $15,200 by 443 and almost 50 ounces of silver, it comes up to $34.27 per ounce. Let me show you the math again. 15,200 divided by 443 and almost 0.5 ounces of silver. And when you turn it into dollars, it is the same. So when you look at it from this perspective, you have a sales price of $15,200 minus the original purchase price of $6,870.20, which gives you a theoretical profit of $8,329.80. However, this will not hit in the issue of capital gains tax because I was given a federal credit unrelated to the purchase or sale of precious metals. And I subsequently get $1,086.85 of real loss against my taxes. So this is not a capital gains. It is a true capital loss. But because the federal government gave me an opportunity for decreased federal taxes for paying state taxes quickly, I have gained the equivalent of $5,000 against my taxes. And in addition, I get over $1,000 capital loss against my taxes for 2023. Not bad. And totally legal. I do not advise trying to find ways to get out of your taxes. I always pay mine. But if you're given an opportunity by the federal government and you have a chance to save yourself some money because of it, and it's totally legal, why not? So yes, the federal government forced me to sell my silver, but it still came to my advantage. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I sure did. Have a good night, everyone. Tiger Stacker, out. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and feel free to ask any questions. I am happy to share my experiences with you, as we should all support each other as we prepare for the future. In addition, I would like to recommend my wife's YouTube channel, Dog World and You. She, like me, believes in keeping our family safe, especially in times of crisis. She trains and breeds dogs that can serve as companions for the family, and if you wish, can give you other options for safety, such as alarm dogs only and protection dogs, as well as dogs for different types of services. I would greatly appreciate your subscription as we all work towards a common goal. Tiger Stacker out.